Raiders come around the left-hand side. Grant McLean there to make the tackle.
Number
5, Grant McLean there to make the tackle on the run around the left-hand side.
Number 5, Grant McLean.
Maybe, I think, no gain on the play. Maybe a gain of a half yard. Brings up 4th and 11. 4th and 11 for the Raiders. And quarterback keeper around the right-hand end. See if they can hold them. And a gain of about 5 yards for the Raiders. Not enough for the first down. They'll turn it over to the Rebels. Looks like we had maybe a holding on the play. The Rebels take over the ball on the 30-yard line. First down Rebels on the 30-yard line. And handoff to Sean Smythe on the right-hand side. Fumble on the play. The Rebels recover the fumble. It's like a loss of about a yard. Bring up 2nd down and 11. And a quarterback keeper around the right-hand side. Cole Johnson with a carry. Looks like a gain of about a yard and a half, maybe 2 yards.
Cole Johnson tackled
brings
by
up 3rd and about 9. 3rd and about 9 for the Rebels. And a pitch sweep around the right end. Shawnee back Smythe. If he can get around, he can make some plays happen here. He's still running. He's still running. He's running down the right-hand side. Running down the right-hand side. And they get him down to the 20-yard line. Here whistles blowing. It looks like they may rule. He steps out of bounds a little bit early. Still a nice run by Sean Smythe.
He stepped out of bounds on his way on the goal line.
Still a gain of about 6 yards on the play, and that brings up 4th and about 4. 4th and 4. Nice run by Sean Smythe on around the right end. And the pitches to Sean Smythe. Oh, who's it? Around the left side. Who is it? He's going all the way. Can he go all the way? Tackle on the 5-yard line.
Sean Smith.
Sean Smythe with a big run. Tackled on the 5-yard line just prior to making it to the goal line. Big run. Big play for the Rebels by Sean Smythe. First and 5 on the goal line. Eli Sawyer, the ball carrier. He tries to go up the middle, bounces around the left side.
Number 4, Eli Sawyer on the carry. Tackled by number 20. Fumble on the play, recovered by the Hoover Raiders.
I think they had a fumble on the handoff there. The Rebels turn it over on about the 2-yard line. And it was a fumble on the play by the Raiders.
Recovered by the Vestavia Rebels.
Recovered by number 27, Andrew Tillman. And a touchdown. Touchdown for the Rebels. Wow, what a play. What a lucky play for that young man. Recovers the fumble for the Rebels for a touchdown and 6 points. Score now is 12-18. Andrew Tillman with a heads-up play there on the defense. Not often a defensive man gets to make a touchdown, much less a defensive lineman, but he gets one today. Touchdown on the fumble recovery. Handoff on the right-hand side. Number 15, Sam Herndon. He gets the extra point. He gets the extra point. Big break for the Rebels. Score now is 13-18. Raiders line up for the first down. Quarterback sweep around the right-hand side. They're looking to score quick. This quarterback can do it. We know he can. And a gain of about 6 yards on the play.
Number 63 on the carry, P.J. King Jr. On the tackle, number 15, Grayson Cherry.
It's like Garrison Cherry on the tackle. Rebels needing another break here to have another shot at winning this game. Go around the right-hand side, number 4. He's still running. Looks like a gain of about a yard or so.
Number 4, Cooper Tulo on the carry.
Third and short, they're running up the middle. Looks like the Raiders have picked up the first down. Still trying to bring him down.
Nicholas Foster, number 69 on carry, tackled by Vestavia for the first down.
Looked like Garrison Cherry and Sam Herndon teamed up on the tackle, maybe a few others. First and 10 for the Raiders. Quarterback keeper around that right end again. He ran that same play in the last first down. Looks like just about picked up the first down. There's a flag on the play. I suspect we've got holding there in the backfield. Illegal block.
I think on this side.
And they go up the middle. It's like the tackle.
Cooper Tulo on the carry, number 4. Tackled by number 15, Grayson Cherry.
Garrison Cherry on the tackle. Garrison Cherry on the And quarterback keeper around the right-hand side. Uh-oh, he breaks the tackle. Uh-oh, he could go all the way. Can we catch him? Come on, Tillman. Dive, 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 dive. Nice catch. Nice tackle.
Number 63, P.J. King Jr. on the carry.
P.J. King Jr. He's running all over the Rebels today. Touchdown saving tackle by number 27 for the Rebels, Andrew Tillman. And they call a penalty. Looked like we had offsides on the offense. A minute and 2 seconds left to go in the game. Clock's ticking, 50 seconds. He hands it off to number 4. Going up the middle, dragging several Rebels with him. Picks up a few yards.
Cooper on the carry, tackled by Vestavia Rebels.
Looks like Orrin Ford may have been in there on the tackle. Eli Sawyer, Orrin Ford, and number 19, Parker Hayes. I think he got in on that one too. Image game for both teams. Score of 13-18. 25 seconds remaining. And handoff. The Raider cuts it up, cuts to the left. Looks like number 27 there, Andrew Tillman there to make the tackle.
Number 5, Grant McClain.
Looks like Tillman and McLean may have teamed up on that tackle. Raiders line up. He hands it off. The number 4 again. Can he get it? He's cutting. Rebels holding. A little fumble there at the end. He covers his fumble. 2 seconds, 1 second, and the game is over. The game is over. A respectable game for both the Rebels and the Hoover Raiders. Score 18-13. Raiders win it. Raiders win it 18-13.